So dear students, today we are going to discuss trigonometry. Trigonometry, it is the branch of mathematics which deals with the sides and angles of a triangle. So, what is the definition of trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which provides relation between sides and angles of a triangle. So trigonometry is made up of three Greek words: tri, gon, and metry, where the meaning of tri is three, gon means sides, and metry means measurement. So trigonometry is basically the combination of three words: tri, gon, and metry. The literal meaning of trigonometry is three sides measure. So in trigonometry we measure three sides. Now, before going to introduce trigonometry, we are going to discuss trigonometry is applied on which triangles. So trigonometry is basically applied for right triangles. What is the right triangle? A triangle which have one angle is 90 degree. So trigonometry is basically applied for right triangles in which one angle is theta. What is this theta? Theta is also a Greek word. Which means angle. Theta represents angle. So value of this angle should be acute angle. Theta should be acute. So trigonometry is applied in right triangle where theta is the acute angle, and the opposite in trigonometry we deal with three ratios of trigonometry, three ratios of sides of the trigonometry. First one is sin theta, second is cos theta, and tan theta. Sin theta is the ratio of two things: perpendicular and hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? In case of right angle, the side opposite to the theta angle, theta is a perpendicular and represented by letter P. So opposite to the theta angle, this is the side AB, which is represented by letter P and perpendicular. And opposite to 90 degree angle, this is hypotenuse, the longest side of a right triangle, and represented by H. This is the hypotenuse, and the remaining BC side is base of the triangle, and represented by capital letter B. So the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse, this is perpendicular and that is hypotenuse, is called sin theta. And what is perpendicular? AB is perpendicular and hypotenuse is AC. Similarly, cos theta is the ratio of sides of base upon hypotenuse. What is the base? Base here is BC. BC is the base. And hypotenuse is AC. AC is the hypotenuse of the side. Similarly, tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So this is the three basic ratios of trigonometry, basic ratios of sides of a right triangle. Similarly, three another ratios Sin cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Cosec theta is basically the reciprocal of sin theta. Means cos theta is 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, 1 upon cos theta. And cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, 1 upon tan theta. So these are the three another ratios of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So what is the value of cosec theta? This is sin theta is perpendicular upon base. Similarly, cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So in triangle ABC, what is hypotenuse? The AC side is the hypotenuse and perpendicular is AB. Similarly, sec theta is the ratio of is reciprocal of cos theta, means base upon hypo, reciprocal of base upon hypo, hypotenuse upon base. What is the hypotenuse? AC side. AC is the hypotenuse. And what is the base? BC. BC is the base. And tan theta. Cot theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Similarly, cot theta is reciprocal, base upon perpendicular. What is the value of base? BC. BC is the base and perpendicular is AB. So in this way, these are the 6 ratios of trigonometry. Basically 6 ratios of trigonometry. For angle theta, where angle theta is at angle C, but these ratios can be changed. If we change the angle theta to C to A. Means angle theta can be at place of C or it can be at place of A. If the value of theta change, means theta in place of C there is exist in place of A, then perpendicular and base are interchanged. Means if we consider theta at angle A, then what happens, students? The opposite of angle theta, the side BC is now converted to a perpendicular. And hypotenuse is the same. Hypotenuse always remains same, but perpendicular is opposite to the theta and base is AB now. BC is perpendicular and AB is base. Now AB is base and hypotenuse AC is hypotenuse. So in this way, ratios are changed when we change the position of the angle. So in this case, now our base is AB, perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So this is all about the basic of trigonometry.